fashion out there. It's different, it's new, it's fresh. What would be your word of advice to old and new brands in remaining fresh, being and remaining fresh?
I think to start with, I have a big problem with being mediocre. So I think everyone should have that at a very young age, and don't fit in, don't try and do things that the masses do and hordes of people do. Like Narula said, make your own niche, and I think always innovate, always try and do something different out of the box, something that no one's done before. And if you can't do what no one's done before, then do what they've done, but do it differently. Yeah.
Thank you so much. That makes sense.
Beautifully said. Thank you so much, Masaba, for joining us. And now our next game changer here today, Rahul Vaidya. We also request you to maybe sing a few lines for us right now, whatever's going through your mind, to commemorate this wonderful moment.
Firstly, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely an honor to be here, to be sitting amongst and to be awarded and rewarded amongst people whom I have idolized in many ways or the other. Big round of applause for Mr. Subhash Ghai, the real showman of India. Everybody, a बहुत बड़ा fan होता है. And again, where he's sitting, it's kind of my honor to be here. Mr. Batra, again, congratulations, Masaba, for having the most wonderful designs, whom I really love. And my girlfriend often says that I only want Masaba sarees, only on Masaba outfits. So I'm going to come to you, please give a discount. And and thank you for the most wonderful introduction. You look beautiful. And I'd like to thank WCRC for considering me, capable enough to be given this award. I don't think I am an achiever. I think it's just the start. I really believe in this. It's just the start and much more to go. And today, just while coming, I was on television watching the Peshawar killing that has just happened in Pakistan. And I think it is the most appalling thing that could have ever happened in the face of humanity. And the only lines that I could think of, for something as bad as that is, we all are a nation who believes in the ideology of Mahatma Gandhi ji. And I'd like to sing two lines, जो उनके लिए हमेशा लोग आते हैं. I'd like everybody to clap with me. वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए पीर पराई जाने रे, वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे, पर दुखे उपकार करे तो मन अभिमान न जाने रे, वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जे पीर पराई जाने रे. Thank you very much, and I really hope that the departed souls no words can actually be said for them, and I hope nothing like this ever happens to our neighbor. And I think that's all. I don't have anything, because I think it's a very emotional moment. So I was very, very happy while coming to collect this award, but I hope that something like this never happens. But nevertheless, I would like to thank WCRC for having me over here, and Masaba, I'm coming to you soon. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Viraj, very few moments leave you a little speechless, and Rahul, आपने तो बोलती बंद करवा दिया है. Thank you.
Some people like.
Rahul, how does it feel to be judged as the pride of India in today's event as such?
It feels nice to be judged as the pride of Maharashtra, and I think being a true Maharashtrian and a proud Maharashtrian, मुझे बहुत खुशी है, and to be featured amongst people like Subhash Ghai ji, who's the showman of the country, and Masaba and Neeta Lula, who are fantastic designers. So yeah, awards and rewards are always nice. I'm not one of those people saying I don't work for awards. No, I work for awards, and it feels nice to be getting awards.
And do you think a celebrity is only a preferred option for Pride of India as such, or कोई ordinary आदमी भी हो सकता है Pride of India?
नहीं, ऑर्डिनरी आदमी भी, आई थिंक अगर आप हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर देखें वो ऑर्डिनरी इंसान हैं, चाय वाले हैं जो सीधा प्राइम मिनिस्टर बने हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ ऑल थैंक्स टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. एंड जितने भी बड़े, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन अगर आप देखें, सचिन तेंदुलकर देखें, शाहरुख खान देखें, आई थिंक दे आर ऑल पीपल हु हैव बीन वेरी नॉर्मल पीपल फ्रॉम स्मॉल टाउन्स, and but who've been lucky and who've worked immensely hard to reach where they are today.
When you are considered as a pride of India,
Yeah.
responsibilities कितनी बढ़ती है आपके कंधे पे?
Responsibilities बहुत बढ़ती हैं, but I think if you in your mind know what you want to do and what you should not be doing as a true Indian, I think एक अच्छा Indian होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And जैसे आज ही कराची में जो पेशावर में जो अटैक्स हुए हैं, I think they've been very very sad. So I think security should be top concern, and in the continent especially because Pakistan is our neighbor. So I think it's very very important to have a good security.
Last question, आपने एक एल्बम निकाला था कुछ दिन पहले, उसका रिस्पांस कैसा था और फ्यूचर में क्या कर रहे हैं, कौन से प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं?
The response was fabulous to my album, and I think it really helps me to be the busiest performer in country. And because I travel a lot, we do about 15 shows a month. So that's why 15 shows means 2 days. अगर आप पकड़े तो whole month I'm out and traveling. And 2015 looks to be a lot of film songs for me. I'm doing a song for Yash Raj. I'm doing a song for the Butts, Mohit Suri साहब के लिए. And a lot of beautiful things happening. So I hope and I pray that मेरे सभी fans को गाने बहुत पसंद आए.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Rolling? First. Rolling? So for you as an individual, as a celebrity, whom do you consider pride of India as such?
Today I feel very honored to get an award as an icon in Indian cinema and education of cinema. I feel humbled to accept the award for a bit of my contribution to the society, because whenever you are an achiever, it's important for you, the immediate next step is give this achievement to the younger generation. Through your experience, your money, your knowledge has to be shared to the next generation. That is the purpose of life, that you live first for yourself, but immediately for the welfare of your fellows, your country, to your society. And I could see many icons today. They were all achievers with a lot of humbleness, passion, and dedication. One thing common which I saw during this event, that they became icon because they have been great students right from their childhood. Until they, you can look at them till they are students of life, of their profession, and above all, humbleness in them. So I'm glad to be part of it.
But do you think a known face only can be a pride of India? It's not there are unsung heroes who do a lot for the society but are not so famous as such.
You see, what happens is that we have a segmentation and fragmentation of the society, locals. We have got a 5 million locals society, groups. So they all individually complement to each other. It's like Pride of India is an individual body. Through KPMG, they are giving awards to the marketing excellence, to the achievers. So it does not mean that we are the best. It means that there are a lot others who have been awarded by others. So it's like a mutual compliment to each other, and to inspire younger generation and to give a compliment to the achiever.
And sir, vested with an award or a position, does it add more responsibility to an individual?
Naturally, the award gives you responsibility that you have achieved this standard, now go to the second standard, upper one.